demonstrating for you today, this is a semi-automatic reverse tuck Cartoner. At least that's what it's set up for at this time. It's Chinese made, as you can see. It also allows English and Chinese. We do have the manual for the unit. Typical to most of these types of Cartoners. Starts over here where you see the carton magazine, which is adjustable. Uses a typical vacuum pickup to retrieve the first carton from the end of the magazine. The magazine, as you can see, is all graduated, so you can mark your adjustments accordingly. It uses a Venturi type vacuum system, so using compressed air to create the vacuum. Once the carton is drawn into the pocket, you see there the upper and lower star wheels. You'll see two stations here that are pneumatically operating. You'll see them drive down to make sure the carton is positioned down to the bottom plate here you see underneath the lower star wheel. As we come around, the bottom tuck is completed here by this mechanism. And you'll see the rod extends holding the flap in position. The outer one goes up first to fold the flap. The secondary one, you'll see it's just a second or half a second behind, pushes the flap into the bottom of the carton. It does take two motions to do that. Then as we come around here, these are the operator loading stations. Now this upper station is for your dust flaps on the top of the carton. The leading dust flap is closed by the rail you see here as it travels under it. And the secondary trailing dust flap by the little arm that you see swinging into position here to close that just as the carton goes to move. So then it's held in position by the rail. And then on the closing side, you'll see uses the same type of principle and mechanism to close the upper part of the carton with its flap. The unit is unused as a reserve tank for air supply in there. Main drive. This discharge is over here, and you'll see the mechanism comes forward. It's air operated to push the completed carton out. Underneath here, you see we are driven through a Siemens PLC system. Variable speed there by the Danfoss controller. And it's a very nicely made piece of equipment. It's not meant for speed. We're going to go through the manual for a few minutes and see if we can get you a speed and specifications on this.